Hello everyone, today's video is about the use of social media. Is it replacing face-to-face interaction? So let us move ahead with this video. I read out the topic. The use of social media is replacing face-to-face interaction. In the present era, many people prefer using social media over face-to-face interactions. This shift is primarily due to the ease and speed that social platforms offer. Sites like Facebook and Instagram enable individuals to share their thoughts, pictures, and messages with friends and family instantly. While this convenience is undeniable, some express concerns about the potential replacement of traditional face to face conversations. One key factor driving this change is the simplicity of social media. It allows individuals to connect with others worldwide without leaving the comfort of their homes. However, the personal touch of face to face communication, with its ability to convey emotions through expressions and tones, cannot be entirely replicated by online interactions. Moreover, excessive reliance on social media may lead to a decrease in person conversations, raising questions about the impact on genuine human connections. Balancing online communication with face to face interactions is crucial for maintaining strong and meaningful relationships. In conclusion, while social media serves as a valuable tool for staying connected, it's vital to recognize the significance of in person communication to nurture and sustain our relationships. I hope you liked this video. If yes, please hit the like button, subscribe if you are new to the channel. Thank you.